तेरे जन्मदिन पर तोहफा तुमको क्या दे, तेरे जन्मदिन पर तोहफा तुमको क्या दे, वक्त और इल्म का नजराना हम देंगे, हो वक्त और इल्म का नजराना हम देंगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे मौला, मुबारक हो मौला, हमारे लिए जो किया मौला तेरा बहुत शुक्रिया, मौला तेरा बहुत शुक्रिया, ओ मौला तेरा बहुत शुक्रिया।
तेरा December, a day to remember, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो आले पैगंबर। तेरा December, a day to remember, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो आले हैदर।
Happy birthday मौला, Happy birthday मौला, Happy birthday मौला, Happy birthday मौला। मेरे दिल ने बोला और ईमान ने बोला, आगमन भी खुशी से
December, a day to remember. जन्मदिन मुबारक हो आले पैगंबर। 13 दिसंबर, a day to remember. जन्मदिन मुबारक औलादे हैदर।
जहाँ का तेरा राज है सभी पर, वो जुल्फ़िकार तेरा तो नूर है अली का। आका है दो जहाँ का तू जानशी नबी का, है सर बुलंद तेरा तू फख्र है हमारा।
शाहों का है शहंशाह तू रहम करने वाला, हर हर शय में नूर तेरा, मुश्किल कुशा हमारा। सुल्तान है तू दिलों का, हर गुलिस्ता है तेरा, है सल्तनत ये तेरा, तू निगहबां हमारा।
My Mola, keep showering your love, keep showering blessings. Our heart beats and love are only for you. It's a big day for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. इस राह पे चल मेरा, है फर्ज हम सभी का, तू रहनुमा हमारा। तू पंचतन है मेरा, तेरे नाम से है दुनिया, तू ही तो है करिश्मा, तू मौजिज़ा खुदा का। We love you, our friends Aga Khan, our friends Aga Khan. You showed us the path of Sirat al-Mustaqim, Imam al-Mubin, Haqqul Yaqeen, Zahir wa Batin, Rahman ar-Rahim.
Yani Madat everyone, I am Sif. Salokale Mubarak to everyone. Whenever Khushali comes, our heart fills with joy and love for our beloved Hazarima. I wish and pray, Ya Mola, please safeguard our love and iman for you always. Ameen. Thank you. Happy birthday, Hazrat Imam. Our beloved Noor Maulana Shah Karim Al Hussaini Hazrat Imam's birthday, 13 December 1936. Let's sing for him birthday song. Happy birthday, Mola. मुबारक हो मौला, हमारे लिए जो किया। हैप्पी मौला तेरा बहुत शुक्रिया। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी मौला। My Hazrat Imam is so big, so strong and so mighty. There is nothing my Hazrat Imam cannot do. Happy birthday, Yali Papa. I love you. Hello everyone, Khushali Mubarak to all of you. Today I am going to play piano for you.
Yali Madadahil.
Mulani Madad.
Why? What is Saligra?
Saligra is Yali's Papa's birthday.
Why do we celebrate Saligra?
Because we love Yali Papa and we want to express our love by celebrate Saligra.
Good. What would your birthday card for Maulana Hazar Imam look like, and what message would you write in the card? Ahil? What write in your card?
Thank you, Yali Papa. You are taking of me and my parents and everybody, and please keep your showering blessings on us.
Good. What gift would you give to Maulana Hazar Imam for his birthday?
I will give to Maulana Hazar Imam gift. I will try to go regularly to Jamaat Khan, and I will listen to my parents.
Okay. How would you decorate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday cake? Okay.
जन्म दिवस ने खूब खूब मुबारकी याली बापा सालिक्रे मुबारक to everyone. Thank you. Yali Madad everyone. My name is Alisha Nasruddin Khoja. It is a happy day. I will celebrate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday in 13 December. I will give Maula Bappa chocolates and a chocolate cake. Khushali Mubarak to everyone. Love you, Maula Bappa. Happy birthday. I made the card for you. And I promise I will go every day, JK, and pray.
Yali Madad Ali Zain.
Maulali Madad.
I ask you some question for Maula Bapa's birthday.
Okay.
What is Salgira?
Salgira is Imam's birthday on 13 December.
Why do we celebrate it?
Celebrate it for joy and blessings every year and part of the world.
What message would you write in the card?
This is Imam's birthday card. I write it in Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Maula Bapa. I love you, Maula Bapa.
What gift would you give to Maula Bapa?
I will promise you that I will pray Dua on time.
How would you decorate Maula Bapa's birthday cake?
This is Maula Bapa's birthday cake. I decorated with some fruits and flowers. It's written on it, Happy Birthday, Imam. Now, let's sing Imam's birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maula Bapa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maula Bapa.
Happy birthday
Yali Madad everybody. We celebrate Saligra because it is Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday. We celebrate Saligra because we love Maulana Hazar Imam. Happy 84th birthday to Maulana Hazar Imam. On this special day, may Mola bless us with good health and safety. I would like to gift Maulana Hazar Imam for his birthday by reciting dua on time and will be regular in Jamaat Khana. Yai Madad, thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mola Bapa. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Celebrate Mubarak. Hi, my name is Insha Kadwani. I'm living in Congo, Kinshasa. I am 4 years old. I'm in LKG. What is Salagri? Salagri is Yali Bapa's birthday. Why do we celebrate Salagri? Because I love Yali Baba and I celebrate Yali Baba's birthday. What would your birthday card for Maulana Hazar Imam look like and what message would you write in the card? This is my birthday card. I write, give me blessing and to my family. What gift would you give to Maulana Hazar Imam for his birthday? I go every day at Jamaat Khana. How would you decorate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday cake? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yali Baba. Happy birthday to you. Salagri Mubarak.
Yali Madad Rushan.
Maulana Madad.
Today I want to ask you about Maulana Hazar Imam. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
What is Salgira?
Birthday of Maulana Hazar Imam.
Why do we celebrate it?
We express our love, loyalty to the Imamah.
What would your birthday card for Maulana Hazar Imam look like? What message would you write in the card?
Dear Ya Ali Baba, thank you for my life. I don't tell you enough, but I am so thankful for everything that I am blessed with.
Very good. What gift would you give to Maulana Hazar Imam on his birthday?
To respect my parents, elders and my teacher.
Okay. How would you like to decorate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday cake? Now you sing a birthday song for Maulana Hazar Imam.
Happy birthday, Mola. Happy birthday, dear Mola Baba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mola Baba. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Mola Baba. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mola Baba. Happy birthday to you.
What is Salagre?
Salagre is Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday
Why do we celebrate it?
because Maulana Hazar Imam is our 49th Imam and we want to make him happy.
What would your birthday card for Maulana Hazar Imam look like?
I made at my home one birthday card of Maulana Hazar Imam.
What message would you write in the card?
Here I wrote Maulana Hazar Imam's message. Dear Mullah, on this special day, I want to sing a song for you. We love you, Mola. We praise you, Mola. We thank you, Mola, for everything.
What gift would you give to Maulana Hazar Imam for his birthday?
I will not fight with my brother and I will respect to everybody.
How would you decorate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday cake?
Here I decorate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday.
Now sing Happy Birthday for Maulana Hazar Imam in Gujarati language.
મોલા બાપા તમને જન્મદિવસની મુબારક. Love you, મોલા બાપા.
Yali mother,
Mola mother,
how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. Today I am going to ask you questions about Salegra. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What is Salegra?
Salegra is Hazar Imam's birthday
Why do we celebrate it?
because he is our 49th Imam.
What would your birthday card for Maulana Hazar Imam look like and what message would you write in the card?
I made this card for Maulana Hazar Imam. I will read for you. A happy birthday to Maula Bappa. I love you. Thank you for giving me life. Thank you for giving me everything.
What gift would you give to Maulana Hazar Imam for his birthday?
I will give gift to Maulana Hazar Imam is I will sing my night prayers every day.
How would you decorate Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday cake?
This is for Maulana Hazar Imam's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Maulana Bapa. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Doors open for happiness. Mola bought these blessings. We are thankful for everything. Windows open for alignment. Mola gave this development. We are grateful for everything. Home open for facility. Mola created Aga Khan Agency. We are glad for everything. City of quality life, state of ethical Islam, country of brotherhood, world of peace. Who made this possible? Answer is very simple. Aga Khan or Imam, son of Ali Noor of Allah. 84th birthday, Mubarak to our beloved Imami Zaman. Ali Madat, Peli Maalane Moyena Fuldane, Hutu Moy Mana Karim Shanam Khirane, Pela Dobido, O Pela Dobido, Moyo Ena Lugudane, Hutu Moy Mana Karim Shanam Khirane, Peli Kumbharana, O Peli Kumbharana Moy Ena Matakane, Hutu Moy Mana Karim Shana Lattagane, Hutu Moy Mana Karim Shana Lattagane. Sai Gre Mubarak Mola Papa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My day starts with Imam's name. Trust on Imam, he is there. When you pray, an answer is there. That is increasing your faith. When you pray, an answer is delayed. That is increasing your patience. When you pray, an answer is not there. He is doing best plan for you. Trust on Imam, trust on Imam. He is our shelter and strength. Thank you, Mola. Thank you, Mola, for you did all of us.
Yarid. My name is Riona Koji and today I'm gonna be singing a poem. Oh Mola, my love to you is high as the sky and my faith to you is strong as the mountain. My shukrana to you is deep as the ocean. Oh Mola, we pray to you from day to night. So bring us closer to your light. Thank you.
ऐ मौला, तेरी रहमतों की बारिश सदा यूं ही हम पर बरसती रहे। तेरी नूरानी छत्र छाया सदा यूं ही हम पर छाई रहे। तेरी दुआशीशों की नवाजिश सदा यूं ही हम पर बनी रहे। बना रही ये मुर्शिद और मुरीद का प्यार और सदा यूं ही नसीब हो आपका दीदार। सालगिरह मुबारक।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Ali Madad. My name is Soha Hamnani. I am 7 years old. खुशियाँ फैली चारों ओर हरियाली हो रही है। करीम शाह के जन्मदिन की तैयारी। गिनान बोले सिजदे किए कि मैंने गिरियाजारी। मेरे मौला के जन्मदिन की तैयारी। तू इमामे ज़मान मैं ठहरा बैरागी। कौन सा तोहफा होगा वो अनमोल जो जा पहुँचेगा तेरी दिल की सोचूं, तूने तो बस ये मांगा है, जमात खाने आना है और नहीं रखना मन में कोई चोर। सीधी राह सिरातल मुस्तकीम की, सीधी राह सिरातल मुस्तकीम की, बस चलना है मुझे तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर। हैप्पी बर्थडे मौला बाबा।
O Maula, O Shah Kareem, we wish you a happy birthday, we wish you a happy birthday. O Shah Kareem, you are the bright light in my dark soul. You bring me happiness when I feel pain. You bring me peace when I feel distressed. You bring me might to fight in my struggles. You bring me laughter when I feel upset. Oh precious jewel of my heart, what precious present do I offer? Showing gratitude for what I have, showing kindness for what I do. That would be the best offerings of mine. O Shah Kareem, O Shah Kareem, O Shah Kareem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All boys and girls, come to listen me, come to join me. All teachers and leaders, come to sing song, come to celebrate the day. Last month of a year, well known as December, one date special of this month, it is 13th, Saligra Mubarak. We love Hazar Imam, Hazar Imam loves more. We go Jamaat Khana and pray regular. Hazar Imam accept this Nazrana and so much happy. Unity in Jamaat, Maula called that one Jamaat. Help and generosity to Ummah, Maula like ethics of Islam. 84th birthday Mubarak to Khudawand.
रखना निगाह करम हम पर हमेशा, रखना निगाह करम हम पर हमेशा, ना देखें आंखें बुरा किसी का, इनमें हो तेरे दीदार की आश हमेशा, ना हो मेरे लब पे शिकायत जहाँ की, और क्या मांगू मेरे मालिक, आया है मुबारक दिन, आज हो तेरी रहमत का साया हम पर हर हमेशा हमेशा हमेशा।